We're going to start from this being the back left corner of the structure. The back wall is completely ByBlock, whereas this left wall is going to have a window opening. We're going to have 7 full bricks across, and once we get the first brick laid, just like typical bricks, we'll start staggering them. We'll build up the full corner and build up from there. So we're about halfway through the build. We're going to continue. We've got 3 more rows before the uppermost point we're going to be. Got my timber for the peekaboo window. Got my 2 short rods. That's going to be the window opening. So I'd say hopefully in the next, I'd love to have it done and ready to go in the next hour. I just got to cut the tops of these bolts off because this is going to be my opening for the window. So my window jamb will come down flush to that. I'll pack it out left, right, and top. And that's what we're after. So at this stage, everything's squared up. We've got all our downward force on the rods going through the ByBlocks and barring a couple supports here and here. We're ready for the roof. All right, hold it at that height. Keep going. Alright, so to save time, we got our roof ready to go beforehand. So we just used a forklift, lifted it up from the back, tipped it forward onto the front plate, and just lowered it spot on where we want it. That looks level. So now that I've got my support post in the corner, I can continue on with my timber framing for my 2 window openings. And then it's on to the interior where we're going to batten out the walls, and then we can start with the electrical and the wallboard. So we've managed to finish up all the battens externally. We're getting ready for the weatherboard. The boys are finishing that up. We've got a door jamb pretty close to being ready, barring a few choice screws. We've also managed to get all the battens internally finished up. So we're using 130 mil grooved MDFs. We'll be using that inside. Those vertical lines are going to make it seem a lot taller in here than it actually is. We've also managed to get the electric run last night. So beautiful thing about this plastic, it's a lot easier to bash out than cinder blocks or masonry bricks. So we just used a hole saw, used a longer bit of course for a pilot so we could see external and internal. And you can see how well and how clean this plastic cuts. And yeah, got a couple power points in here, a couple LED downlights. It'd be like you're sitting in the middle of the sun. Windows in place.